Hello sir, how are you?
I'm fine.
Sir, you know how students always say कि निखिल सर ने सबसे ज़्यादा हिस्ट्री बुक्स पढ़ी हुई हैं एंड निखिल सर की हिस्ट्री की बहुत सारी स्टोरीज होती हैं जो हमें एंटरटेनिंग लगती हैं
कहानियां तो होती है
एंड दे ऑलवेज से कि आपको हिस्ट्री की सबसे ज़्यादा नॉलेज है, राइट? मतलब मुझे भी खुद स्टूडेंट्स ने आके बोला है कि निखिल सर को तो सब हिस्ट्री पता है और वो सारा टाइम हिस्ट्री की बुक्स में रहते हैं.
ये आखिरी लाइन तो बिल्कुल सही है.
राइट, बट यू नो आई एम ऑल्सो मैथमेटिक्स टीचर,
Yes.
तो आई ऑलवेज वांट प्रूफ. तो आज हम आपका टेस्ट लेंगे कि आपको एक्चुअली में नॉलेज उतनी है या नहीं.
Okay.
रेडी फॉर इट?
Okay.
सो सर, मैं आपको प्लेसेस ऑफ पीपल, मैं आपको उनका नाम दूंगी विच यू वुड नॉट नो. उससे रिलेटेड आई विल गिव यू हिंट्स. यू हैव टू गेस द प्लेस और द पर्सन बेस्ड ऑन द हिंट्स दैट आई विल गिव यू.
It's a quiz.
Yeah, it's a quiz for you. You have to guess the name of that place or person or object, whatever that is.
Okay.
ठीक है. So let's start with the first question. Okay. So you cannot see the name right now.
Okay.
I will give you hints related to this name.
I can't see this.
Yeah, you can't see this.
Okay.
ठीक है. So the first hint is that it is actually a site, cluster of sites, and it is named after a medieval ruler of this name only. And it is famous for ancient terracotta objects. It is a very
Terracotta is the easiest. I know. You don't even have to give me next play.
There is
Hint.
next hint also I'll give for the students. ठीक है. It is located at the banks of Vidyadhari River
In West Bengal.
in West Bengal.
I know.
Yeah. So what is the name of this place?
It's Chandraketugarh. It's easiest question because UPSC has asked it twice in
Right.
prelims. You saw terracotta को हमेशा समझा जाता था पहले. It is cheaper or is it like non-elite material? But चंद्रकेतुगढ़ की खासियत ये है that यहाँ पे मास प्रोडक्शन एंड गुड क्वालिटी प्रोडक्शन ऑफ टेराकोटा पाया गया है. सो इट गोज अगेंस्ट द लॉजिक कि ये सस्ता नहीं, महंगा टेराकोटा है वो. इट्स वेरी फेमस सेट इन द पोस्ट मॉडर्न टाइम.
Next question. So for the students to see, this is the next answer. Again, sir को नहीं पता ये. It is a medieval era inscription. So it is an inscription belonging to Chola Empire.
ओके. Cholas have innumerable inscriptions.
Okay. It is also inscribed on a temple wall.
Okay. That is also
And-
normal for them.
It provides us information about local self-government of villages during
You are
Chola
asking
rule.
very easy questions. It is Uttaramerur temple
Sir, it
inscription.
is easy for you.
No, this is given in NCERT also.
Okay.
So there is this district called Chingalpur district. I don't know what is the latest part of it, but historical books में लिखा हुआ है that in Chingalpur district we have Uttaramerur temple. दो है, एक नहीं दो है.
Okay.
And there on the walls of temples we have the Parantaka king of Chola who tells us about how the local government is operating.
Now, next question. So, okay. Now this is a port.
Port.
Yes, it is a Sangam era port.
Okay.
And it played the role of a bridge between India and Western world.
Western side port. Okay.
Yes. It was a flourishing center of trade during ancient times
Hmm.
and hailed by Pliny as the first emporium of India.
Oh, this is easy again. This is Muziris
Muzre.
or Muchiris.
Yes.
It's in Kerala. You know, this port was lost forever. One of the most important port in Sangam literature was lost. Recently we found it, Pattinam in Kerala. It is rediscovered now.
Okay.
There is other Chola port, contemporary to it called Kaveri Pattinam. It's in Tamil Nadu. That is also lost. We are not able to find it so far. But Muziris was very important. कई सारी कविता है मुजिरिस के ऊपर.
So it is a port discovered in recent times.
Yes, a few decades, a couple of decades ago.
Oh, that's interesting.
Rediscovered rather.
Rediscovered.
Yes.
Okay. So 3 on 3. So next, okay, so this is a person.
Okay.
And he was medieval era Sultan of Gujarat and belonging to Muzaffarid dynasty. It is believed that Queen of Mewar sent him Rakhi,
Rani Karnavati.
seeking his support. Now you know the answer since you said Rani.
It's a very famous story.
Yes, yes.
It's a popular story of Humayun, Rani Karnavati and Bahadur Shah.
Yes.
I think Bahadur Shah is the name of Sultan,
Yeah.
right? You know how he died?
No.
उसको एक बार सुलह करने के लिए बुलाया था पुर्तगीज लोगों ने एक शिप पे.
Okay.
Portuguese had tried to defeat him for a long time. They could not defeat him. So उन्होंने कहा कोई बात नहीं, let us have trade, let us have pact. He was called on ship, on Portuguese ship. उसको से धकेल के पानी फेंक दिया. treachery, the oldest trick in the book. So Bahadur Shah of Gujarat.
Tragic.
Yes. देख लो. Is it
See?
visible? Okay. Now I'm curious.
It was a group of capable yet arrogant nobles during Delhi Sultanate who made the life hell for rulers.
Okay. Almost
And-
all nobles did that every time.
They
That is the
received-
task of nobles. Always.
Okay. So they received, but this is of Delhi Sultanate era.
Okay.
So they received all the important ranks and positions and even became kingmakers.
It's a closed group. Okay.
Yeah, these are the only two hints I have.
Okay. There is only one name of the group of nobles in the era of Sultanate, Delhi Sultanate. It's Turkani Chehalgani, or as they call it, Chalisa. 40 तुर्क होते थे और कभी 40 नहीं थे, पता है. The maximum numbers we could count person by person, they 12, 13, 17, 18 के ऊपर नहीं जाते कभी.
Okay.
पता नहीं why they are called Chalisa और Chehalgani, but all of them were immigrant Turks
Okay.
and they controlled it.
So this was the only group of nobles in Delhi Sultanate.
Yes.
So
which has name
which has a name.
as a group.
Okay. So
हाँ,
when
उन्होंने रज़िया की जिंदगी खराब कर दी थी पूरी. She was killed ultimately by these people only.
they didn't accept her as a ruler because she was a female. Yeah. So okay, again. 515.
देखो.
515. Sir,
Is it changed?
we also have helplines, you know.
Okay.
Phone a friend.
Super, I don't need the helplines.
Phone a friend or 50-50.
So I should call you only?
Yes, you can call me. I have the answers.
Okay.
Okay.
So look at this question now. Okay.
So, okay, now this is a Britisher. This is a British person, and although he was British, he played an important role in Indian freedom struggle.
Okay.
And he was a good friend of Mahatma Gandhi and Rabindranath Tagore, and he used to
I know
teach. He used to teach in Saint Stephen College. Sir, you don't even need my hint.
I'll tell you one more thing. He had played a very important role in the in helping the laborers, indentured laborers in Fiji.
Okay.
You tell me what is his name.
Charles Freer Andrews.
C.F. Andrews. Yes.
C.F. Andrews. And due to his work for the betterment of poor, he was popularly regarded as Deen Bandhu.
Deenbandhu.
Right. So, okay, 6 on 6. So, this is...
Actually, in Gandhi freedom struggle, no, there are a lot of Christians who supported Gandhi.
Oh,
Both Indian Christians and Western Christians. C.F. Andrews is just one example. There are many other people also.
sir, is there a particular reason for it? Why were Christians in support?
Not all Christians, but there were many Christians
A lot.
also. Yes.
Right. Okay, so now the last one. Last question. Let's see if you can get 100% marks or not. ठीक है?
अभी तक 6 में से 6 हुए हैं.
सर, अभी जो रेशो है उसमें आप प्रीलिम्स क्वालिफाई कर चुके हो.
अच्छा.
Because you know we don't need 100% marks for prelims. So I'll give you the next question. Okay.
हाँ.
Visible. ठीक है. Okay. Okay. So she's a female. She's a woman, and she played an active part in freedom struggle.
Okay.
And she was the first woman of India who became a CM and CM of Uttar Pradesh.
Suchita Kripalani. This is
Seminar.
you're asking very easy questions, no?
Sir, these are easy only for you.
Kripalani
A lot of
and-
students couldn't answer.
People have forgotten Suchita Kripalani and GB Pant. Both of them were very important. One of the first CMs of UP. Yeah, that was a different type of era, different type of state, different type of people.
So next time I will prepare even more tougher questions for you.
Yes, I hope so.
Sir.
I
Sir,
hope so.
then give me a challenge at least.
Chalo, should I take it down?
Okay, yes. So
Okay.
sir, you got 7 out of 7 marks.
Hmm.
And अभी मुझे proof मिल गया है कि आप हो history के greatest teacher ever.
ऐसे कुछ नहीं है, but questions were pretty doable.
Okay, so it was really fun playing this game with you.
Yes, we'll do it once again.
Yeah, I will do it once again, and I'll search for more ideas to test your knowledge.
Done.
Okay, bye
Chalo,
everyone.
Thank you. Tata.